Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from your Ethereum wallet to your Cash App. First, open your Cash App. On the home screen, tap the icon that either shows your balance or looks like a little house. This will take you to the main menu. From here, tap on the Bitcoin option. Scroll down until you see an option that says Deposit Bitcoin. Tap on it. If this is your first time using the feature, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity. Tap the button that says Verify Identity and follow the instructions to provide your personal details. After your identity is verified, you will see your unique Bitcoin deposit address. Tap the Copy button to copy the address. Now that you have your Cash App Bitcoin address, open your Ethereum wallet. You can use any wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Inside your Ethereum wallet, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. If the cryptocurrency is not already Bitcoin, you will need to convert it. Tap the Swap button. In the From section, select the crypto you want to convert. In the To section, select Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to swap and confirm the transaction. Your crypto will be converted into Bitcoin. Once the swap is complete, open your Bitcoin balance in your wallet. Tap on the option that says Send. Paste the Bitcoin wallet address you copied earlier from Cash App into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Tap Next and confirm the transaction. Your Bitcoin will now be transferred from your Ethereum wallet to your Cash App. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.